This is section 6.2 where we're talking about rates, unit rates, and unit cost. So a rate is a type of ratio, but it's used to compare different types of quantities. Here's some examples. 117 miles per 2 hours. So we have two different units because we're comparing two different types of quantities. $12 for 3 pounds of something, 400 meters in 43.5 seconds, and 270 miles on 12 gallons of gas. So where in ratios we had no labels, with rates we have two labels. We're going to write ratios in lowest terms. In one region, there are approximately 640 trees on 12 acres. So we're going to reduce the fraction 640 over 12 to 160 trees, 3 acres per 3 acres. Latanya drove 138 miles on 6 gallons of gas, and we're going to reduce that to 23 miles on 1 gallon of gas. After a cold front, the temperature changed by -10 degrees in 4 hours. So we're going to take the -10 degrees Fahrenheit over 4 hours, and we'll just reduce the fraction to -5 degrees Fahrenheit, 2 hours. A unit rate is going to be a rate that has a denominator of 1 unit. To convert a rate to a unit rate, we divide. We take the numerator and divide by the denominator, and we maintain both units of measurement. Which of these is a unit rate? So a unit rate has a denominator of 1. So 60 miles per 1 hour is a unit rate. $24 per 1 hour. $24 per hour is per 1 hour assumed. So those are our unit rates. Write each rate as a unit rate, round to 3 decimal places if necessary. A health club charges $125 for 20 visits. So we want a unit rate, and we're going to divide numerator by denominator. So we take 125, divide it by 20, and we get 6.25. So our unit rate will be $6.25 per 1 visit. In 1960, Wilma Rudolph won the women's 200-meter run in 24 seconds. Find her speed in meters per second. So we're going to take meters and divide it by seconds. And we get 8.3, repeating. And it says go to 3 decimal places if necessary. So it's going to be approximately 8.333 meters per 1 second. Again, unit rate is giving us a denominator of 1. And we can just say meters per second. During one baseball season, Barry Bonds got 149 hits in 403 at-bats. Find his batting average. So batting average is the number of hits per number of at-bats. So we take the numerator 149 and divide by 403, and it gives us a 0.370 hits per 1 at bat. And so we just have to make sure we have both labels. Unit cost. A unit cost or unit price is the cost per 1 unit of something. If you look in the grocery store on the shelves, you will see a unit price listed. So for example, if we are paying $4.19 for a bottle of apple juice that's 46 ounces, the unit price on the sticker will tell us how much we are paying per 1 ounce. If we have these 3 different size jars or 3 different size packages, we'd like to know which is the better buy. So to find the best buy, we want to find the best price per ounce. So we're going to look at that in a chart. And for the first one, we were paying $4.19 for 46 ounces. In the second picture, it was $4.89 for 64 ounces. And in the third one, we had 8 4-ounce jars, or containers, which is 32 ounces, and we were paying $3.55 for 32 ounces. So when you do the unit cost, it's cost per unit, and the money always goes first. That's always going to be in the numerator. So we're dividing, and when we divide, we're going to get a price per ounce. And so they've rounded here to the nearest thousandth, and we're looking at 0.091 cents per ounce, or it's 0.091. It's 91 thousandths of a dollar per ounce. It's just a little more than 9 cents. And so our unit, our best buy is going to be our cheapest price. So our cheapest price is going to be this middle item. And here's some for you to try.